Alright folks, I'm trying to change the blower motor on the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. This is the old one, it doesn't work. And this is the new one that I just bought and I'm about to replace it. So I'll just show you guys real quick that the old one doesn't work. Hold on. So as you guys can see, I had to touch it before it started working. So it keeps shutting off. Now it's working, but then it's gonna go off again. So to avoid all of that, I'm just going to replace it and put in the new one so I won't have to worry about this. Keep shutting off because it happened before. So this is the new one. You'll have 3 screws that you have to put in right there. This 4th one is for the clamp that holds it right here. This clamp right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, right there. And to remove the old one, it's normally underneath here. It goes up in here. But you just unscrew it and then remove this right here, pull it out. So you just press on this pin right here and then pull it out. But I have to use my flat here because let's see, to press it in and then pull it back out. I need both hands. So this is the screw that came off right here. I used the what is it, T15 to get it out. So as you guys can see it right there. So the first thing you want to do is to remove this flap, which I have already removed. It's just 3 clips, 2 and 3. This is for the light, and the connector is right there for the light. So all you're gonna do is just pull this down from here underneath and release the clips. Underneath here, it's dark underneath there. Let me see. Alright, so there's 3 screws. There's one right there. I don't know if you guys can see my finger. Alright, right here, there's one right there. There you go. There's another one right there. And the 3rd one is right there. So you remove these 3 screws. Like I said, it's the T15. And just try to wiggle this thing out. Move this right here to the side. Once it comes out a little bit, you can use a flat head and press on the pin right here. We'll move this vent. Press on the pin with a flat head and just pull this down. Get your whole thing up. And to replace it the same way, you just put it back in just how you remove it.